I'll get you through contacting Google Pay for support with payment failures, unauthorized charges, account compromises, or anything else. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before we explore Google Pay support phone numbers or regional support contacts for countries like India and more, let's start with how to get help the general way. Open the Google Pay app on your device. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner to reveal your account menu. Tap Help and Feedback at the bottom of the screen. You can select Chat, Email, or Request a Call. This routes your specific issue to an agent. You can also reach out to them via the Google Pay Help Center on the web. Open your browser and go to support.google.com/Google Pay. Here you can browser search for your specific issue and try to fix the problem without an agent. Click the relevant article and scroll to the bottom to reveal the hidden contact link. Tap Contact Us or Contact Google Support to initiate a chat or reveal the email option. Now let's examine regional help, such as contacting Google Pay India customer care. For phone support, call the toll-free Google Pay India customer care line 1-800-419-0157. That is 1-800-419-0157. The hours for general complaints are from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. IST. For fraudulent complaints, you can call 24/7 for immediate security assistance. Be ready to enter your 8-digit security code on request. For U.S. customers and for general consumer assistance, here is a direct phone line to Google Pay. You can call 1-888-986-9444. That is 1-888-986-9444. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Google Pay video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.